have to cut all this out. Yeah, we really enjoyed having a picnic on the riverbank. It was a really good family day where we got to spend lots of lovely time together, doing lots of lovely things as well. It was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, we enjoyed several activities with the children. They learned how to skim stones across the rivers, building sandcastles and having a general good time.
Yeah.
What would you say, Lils? What did you most enjoy about that?
I really enjoyed making the sandcastles with all the different stones and spotting all the fish and the frogs in the river and skimming the stones.
Yeah, it was really good, and the food was excellent
Yeah,
as well.
food was really good. Yeah, definitely.
All the local dishes were that kept coming were really lovely.
You enjoyed them. Was it the egg wraps?
Yeah, the egg omelette.
Yeah, it was a really good family day.
Yeah.